IVM Detectors present. The Discovery 500 marks a new era in treasure hunting and gold prospecting. A true all-in-one device, built to meet the demands of serious prospectors, combining advanced tech, power, and precision. Place the strap around your neck and adjust it for a comfortable fit. Plug in the cable and lock the connector for a secure connection. With two interchangeable coils, the Discovery 500 adapts to any type of search. Use the DD coil to detect coins and small objects. To power on the Discovery 500, press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds. Ground balancing is quick and intuitive. Hold the coil about 50 centimeters above the ground. Double press the GB button quickly. A beep confirms the reset. To check if ground balance is needed, lower the coil slowly toward the ground. If the sound increases, a reset is required. Then hold the GB button and pump the coil vertically. In seconds, your device is calibrated, ready for any terrain. For best performance, the DD coil must stay in motion. Sweep left to right at a constant height, keeping the coil parallel to the ground. To avoid false signals, remove all metal from your pockets, shoes, or belt. The Discovery 500 communicates through audio variations. A number shows metal conductivity, a bar indicates signal strength, and a 2D graph helps you pinpoint your target. The main unit connects to your smartphone via the dedicated app. You can log detection data in real time to better document your finds. To search deeper, the Aeropulse coil is your go-to tool. Its unique design cancels mineral effects for more professional scans. Calibration is the same as with the DD coil. Hold the coil 50 centimeters above the ground. Quickly press the GB button twice. A beep confirms the reset. To check if balancing is needed, lower the coil slowly. If the signal gets stronger, proceed with calibration. Hold the GB button and pump the coil vertically. Your device is now ready for action on all types of terrain. Thanks to its large size, it covers wide areas quickly and with precision. IVM Detectors wishes you success in your searches and discoveries.